Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another beautiful day and back with another new vlog. So you can see the changes in my room. So it's a little bit of change in my room because of the channel that I'm working on. So by that I mean my old channel. So you can check out my old channel. The link I'll provide on the description box. Yeah, I have around 2K subscribers, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm working on the channel I'm trying my best to revive the channel, so you can help me by going and yeah, subscribing it to the channel. So today it's a beautiful day. Let me just show it to you guys. So I'll show you from the front camera. See, it's sunny. Kitty, Charlie, Charlie, Ruby, Ruby, see, Ruby. So yeah, I'm at my kitchen now. See, I called them but they didn't come. Now they coming. Ruby. Yeah, so today it's sunny, but yeah, it's windy as well. Oops. So today, right now, I'm going to have food, but in different way. In a sense, I'm going to make Ghalo, and yeah, I'm going to have that. So to make that, I guess the food is there. I hope. Yeah. So the rice is been cooked already. So I'll make Ghalo and eat. So let me just show you how I make Ghalo. So let's go. So to make Ghalo, we actually boil the rice now, but it's already pre-cooked, so I don't need to waste another bunch of rice. So I'll just use this for today. Yeah. So I'll just use my hand. I've already washed my hand. Don't worry. It's more of it. Yeah, this will do. So I'll just okay, so the rice part is done, so let's just keep this aside for now. And yeah, I wash my hand, and now we'll go with the meat. So I'll be using this meat right here, over here, and yeah, so I'll use this and I'll quickly cut this and get back to you guys. So I've cut the meat. This is a pork meat, so in small pieces, and yeah, we need chili and some ginger and onion and some leaves. Yeah, so green leaves. So yeah, we don't have green leaves right now, so we'll go to the garden and pluck some and come back. So we need this to make Ghalo. So I put this much. Let's put it and eat it. Just a view. So let's clean it. So guys, I've cleaned this well. Yeah, this is ready. So what we do is I don't know what to say, so how to say. So what we just do, we just do it like this somehow. Yeah, like this, into make into small pieces, nah? And we put it in the with the rice and pork. So guys, now everything is done. So now let's wait for the meat to cook, because um, right now the leaves and all will become too softy, nah? So I don't want that. And yeah, even the rice is already cooked, so we just have to add it right before we finish the cooking of this meat. So we'll just wait for the meat to cook. And yeah, I'm forgetting one thing. This is green chili. This is onion, local onion, and ginger. So even every ingredient is ready, so we just have to wait for the meat to become tender. So guys, the meat is tender by now, so let me just show you. So now we'll add green chili, the listen, and ginger we'll add afterwards. As of now, we'll add chili and cook for a bit again. Guys, I've added everything. So if and yeah, rice we'll put at the later part because it's already boiled. Otherwise the rice should have gone first, nah? But so I'll just mix it and stir it. So guys, the ghalo is ready. See? I don't know how it's looking, but the taste is awesome. So guys, this ghalo is ready, as you can see. Let me just taste it and the taste is so good. I But it's so hot. I can't believe myself that I can make like this. So good. I'll just have it and get back to you guys.